Hi all, back in the woods. I was gonna do a oiti, which is like a three-legged cauldron, and it's a South African pot. We were gonna cook it on open fire. It's a bit windy, as you can see, and it's very dry. Not worth the chance. So I'm gonna go to the cabin and we're gonna cook in the cabin. We're gonna do a beautiful lamb stew or a lamb hot pot on the Dutch oven. So if you'd like to come along, I would really appreciate that. That's the reason why I'm not doing open fire. I know some people, and they do love the open fire, and so do I. Most videos I look at on YouTube, like you guys, it's always nice to have open fire, but too risky. I don't want to burn this lot down because it's beautiful, and it is very, very dry, as you can see. Very dry. Okay, so making my way to the cabin now. It's a little bit overgrown, and we'll see you in a sec. First of all, one onion. What's the next one? So when these skins are really thin, it's difficult to peel then, aren't they? Not using that. It's a chunky onion. Okay, first bit done. That up nicely. I like the way the handle on these, they stop there, so you don't, when you lift it off, you don't get burned, it just stays there. Hello Rico, that's the dog. I get that nice and hot. Kalamata, authentic Greek extra virgin olive oil, whatever. So I'll put quite a bit of that, not quite a bit, but a bit. Okay. And then just get that nice and hot. And a spoon. This is I'm not too sure what it's carved out of. I don't know if it's Padouk. It looks like Padouk. So yeah, someone's hand carved that. It's nice, I like it. Okay, so they're just starting to caramelise, and then we've got to add lamb. Now this I've marinated overnight. Let's put it over there for now. I've marinated this overnight in mint sauce, just a couple of spoonfuls, probably a tablespoon, or yeah, a good tablespoon full of mint sauce. Okay, so. We'll let them brown off. We will be putting water in this and having that as well. So brown that off first, and then we're going to add the vegetables. Potatoes we're going to do separate in the teapot or the coffee pot, which makes life a lot easier. Yeah, and all the ingredients will go in a minute. We've got mushrooms to go. I'll show you as we're going along. Okay, so this is a shoulder lamb on the bone. I boned it out. Quite easy to do. If you want me to do another one, I will show you how to do that and bone it all out. It is pretty straightforward. Just take them. There was only a tiny knuckle bone in there. It was a really good buy. So I looked through what I wanted, found a nice piece. Cost me about £5.80, by the way, if anyone's interested. And lamb is expensive at the moment. Right, so next is that's nearly ready to go with the vegetables and everything. Just let it brown off a little bit more, and then we'll pop the veg in. Vegetables. Few on the top because they wouldn't fit in the tub. Pre-cut because you don't want to see me cut up vegetables. Anybody can cut vegetables. So we've got these to go in first. Then we're going to add some water. We've got some more veg yet. Not done it yet. And then we're just going to get this going. Probably more water yet. Beautiful, look at that. Sweed. Okay, I can't say homemade, but crushed black peppercorns, which I bought the corns myself. I crushed them in a mortar and pestle? Pestle and mortar, is it? Whatever. So that's them, that's black pepper. Then herbs of provence, which is one of our favourite ingredients. I'll just put a few of them in, quite a few. There we go. And then the other one is Himalayan pink salt. Not the white stuff, that's not the best for you. And then we'll leave this for an hour to simmer. We've got some mushrooms to go in, which are the, what do they call them? Oh, chestnut mushrooms. And then we also got a mix. This is a lamb hot pot mix, which just gives it the flavour and thickens it as well. There we go. This is not for me, this is for 4 of us. This is my son-in-law's here as well, and we're going to have a coffee off, which he thinks he can beat me at making coffee. He probably can, but we're not going to tell him that. Right, more water and we're done. Turn it down, let it simmer for later, doubling up as a potato boiler. Excellent. Okay, dishing time. Action! Huh?
Very nice, delicious.
Is it?
Yeah.
Got a bigger spoon?
Can you taste the mint?
Yeah.
See the scrap of spoon.
Yeah.
There we go.
Well,
Fresh organic potatoes out the garden.
yeah.
We did check for slugs.
You go.
Hot. It's not bad. No? Alright.
You know what I'm going to say though?
Go on.
Needs garlic. Got garlic.
I did put garlic in it actually.
I know, no, it's great.
No, it's
Really
fine,
nice.
don't worry. Okay, if you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like, that would be great. So this is our lamb hot pot in a Dutch oven in the woods. Alright, take care, catch you in the next one. All the best. Say bye everybody.
Bye everybody.
Bye everybody. Bye everybody.